Hello guys, so today I'm going to show you how to make G major 15. Alright, let's get started. First, go to Alight Motion. And then press Create New Project. Here. And then we press Exit. There's Add. And then we tap on Add, then press Media. And tap whatever video you want. Okay. Now press Effects, press Add Effect, and then press Wave Warp. Or Decision Warp if you want. And then we tap on Export Video, then press Video, then press Export.
I got some good news for y'all. They made a new TikTok called TikTok Lite, where it's designed to take up less storage on your phone. So when you binge watching TikTok videos, it's not taking up as much storage. And it has an offline mode where you can watch TikToks without being on Wi-Fi, y'all. If I was y'all, I'd go download TikTok Lite right now. It's available right now.
Come see how easily I can transfer all your photos to your Android.
Alright, then press X to exit. And then save. Now we go to Spring. Then press Create New. And then press Alight Motion File. And then press Extract Audio. And then change pitch. And then put it to +5. And then we save video. And then press Save as Video. Press OK. Okay, I had to turn the volume down because I'm at my grandma's house and my grandma's sleeping. Now we go to Video Voice Changer. Okay, press Start Promise and then press Choose Movie. Then press here, press Done, Add, press Close, press Start, press the Start button if you're ready. Oh wait, oh no, I forgot to turn on the sound back on. Okay, save as video. Press OK. Then go to Video Voice Changer. Press Yes. Then press Start Progress. Press Choose Movie. And then press the video that I had to fix. Press Done. Press X. Press the Start button. And then press CB radio. and then press save. There's ad. X. And now, ready for the preview to come. Thank you guys for watching this video. I'll see you next time. Bye.